This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a silver maple interior, Sleep 6, Skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, slideout, smoke detector, Colorado detector, oven, awning, air conditioning, water heater, and 152 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is 15,800 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.